Hello guys, here's me and I'm gonna do my punches. Okay. Okay.
Tuesday at 9 is when I'm doing that.
Okay, guys, I'm putting this in the trash. Okay, next. Okay, my dog.